To create an amazing chart, the first thing you need to identify is the purpose for which you want to create your chart, because each chart has their underlying purposes, and choosing the right chart for your data is very important. What I mean in essence is that if we look at the data we have here, it talks about the performance of this company over a period of 10 years. In this case, we are going to use the line or area chart. We noticed that because I was able to identify the purpose for which I want to create my chart, which is performance over a period, I was able to get the right choice of graph, and that is the line or area graph. Now I'm going to talk about the different types of charts we have and their purposes. To find charts, go to the Insert tab under the Excel ribbon and locate the chart group. The first one we have here is the column or bar chart. This presents analysis of performance of two or more variables, like performance of two or more products, sales agents, or regional operational performance. And the bar chart is more strategical when presenting performance in a descending order. Next is the line or area chart, which are quite the same, and the purpose for which they work for is to present analysis of performance over a period of time data, which can as well be regarded to as trend analysis. Although the line or area charts are quite similar, they are both distinctive based on their background color. Next, we have the pie or donut graph, which is very much helpful when you need to present a part or proportion of the whole data. We also have the combo chart, which is just a combination of two types of charts. The other charts are statistical and financial type of charts. Let's demonstrate one or two types of charts. Here I'm going to be discussing with you three types of charts, and that is the waterfall, line, and column charts. The waterfall chart is mostly used to present income statement or cash flow analysis. I have an income statement data here. So I'm just going to click inside and press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Then go to Insert and click on Waterfall Chart. And here we have it. Now you need to understand that the way you structure your data matters a lot. You will also need to highlight your residual figures in the graph. For example, the first residual figure I have here is the GP. So I'm going to click twice, then right click and set it as total. We now easily identify that I removed the cost of goods sold from the revenue to get the GP. I'm just going to do it for the others as well. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive new updates. And here we have it. We can now easily identify all our residual figures. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show us how to format our chart to give it a breathtaking look. The next chart I'm going to discuss is the line chart. So I'm going to present this forecast in the line chart. So I'll click inside, then press Ctrl A to highlight, then go to Insert and click on line chart. And here we have it. But we notice something in our data. So this is a forecast data, and that is why we are using the line chart. But the first year data stops at July, and the second year data starts at August. If we don't have this figure here, let's see what happens to our chart. Oh, it breaks, indicating that there is a break in the graph. For the graph to flow, you need to remember to rewrite the figure in the second year. And that is it with the line graph. Now we move to the column chart. The data I have here is about comparison, so I'm going to use the column chart. Press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Go to Insert, or you could use charts recommended by Excel. And here we have our chart in a distinctive representation. As we can see here, it differentiates the first year from the second year and the third year. If you don't want to use the graph anymore, you can just click on it and press delete, or you right click and click on cut. And to paste elsewhere, you can just click on it, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V to paste. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon. See you again in our next tutorial.